Firstly, it's obvious. You're gonna go to umingle.com. On the top right side, it shows the number of people online. You can also turn on the dark mode if you want. And there's two options, text or video. Most of the users choose to use the video feature. There's also an option to match people with interests, but it's totally optional. And there are also the FAQs section. If you like, you can see this. So let's go to video feature. Now, as a first time user, you'll be asked to allow the permissions for microphone and camera. So you're gonna choose this option, allow, while visiting the site. And thus we're here. It's very simple. To begin video chatting, just click on start. It will pair you up with random strangers. Hello. Hi. Are you from Manila?
Yeah.
If you hover your mouse on your video, you'll get the option to change the camera. You can switch to any virtual cameras if you have installed on your PC.
No.
Hello. Also, you can change the default microphone from here. If you want to report any user, you can click on this button here, flag button. You'll get the most recent 5 interactions that you can report. Now, if you want to stop chatting, you can just go to Umingle by clicking here. It will just bring you the home screen of Umingle, and you can begin anytime by clicking video once again. So that's how you can use the Umingle video chat website on PC. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.